Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new week at Market Misfit. So we're taking a look at the XRP chart plus XRP ETF. So this is the most, as far as conviction goes, this article on the ETF for XRP, Ripple now hiring a senior manager to manage XRP ETF initiatives. This is more bullish than anything, than any of the other ETF news coming out for XRP. When we saw this, market dropped. Okay, we were looking at getting in right here for an entry on the 3 minute, but we did not get that. We actually did get the news, but then by the time we saw the news, it had started dropping. Now, this was a couple of hours. This was a couple of hours ago, a few hours ago, but we did end up getting in. Actually, it was on down here when you had these indicators, but we just posted this in the group. We're thinking of doing a small group of people that are trading or they're interested in trading to trading the 3 minute with us, with live money. So we have a person already that we're working with, but we figured because we're going to be given detailed instructions as far as, and I also wouldn't say instructions, but because we're not here to, give financial advice, but we're going to be given detailed steps as to documenting and sharing every single step that we're going to be taking with this entry on XRP 3 minute to be. So for those of y'all that are new, this would be scalping. So the moves come and go a lot faster. But anyway, so looking for a pullback back here. We did get a break of structure here at around 52.5 cents. Let's take a look at this article real fast. Ripple now hiring a senior manager to manage XRP ETF initiative. So this is the most bullish out of all of the stuff that we've seen, because they've really had the XRP ETF stuff. There've really been no it's not solid like at all. It has not been solidified into any actual data or information, but this one is. So Ripple's new hiring move suggests, so Ripple's hiring someone to take care of their ETFs. So that should say enough, but let's read into this to see what else it says. The American crypto payment giants could be interested in an XRP exchange traded fund ETF. In a recent post on X, Ripple called attention to its job opening for skilled individuals in decentralized finance to oversee activities tailored to institutional investors. So there's that. Specifically, Ripple seeks a senior manager for business development to cater to institutional DeFi. For those of y'all that don't know, this stands for decentralized finance in the crypto industry. So like if you're on Coinbase, Coinbase is platform, or like crypto.com, just like the regular platform, like technically your, that's not your, that's not a DeFi. That's not decentralized finance, because that exchange or app or whatever fintech, but it's not yours until you have a place where you can store it of your own. And that's part of what decentralized finance is. So anyways, that's what this DeFi is. Just real quick, didn't want to get off track, but if anybody's wondering what this is, that's what that is. The firm wants individuals to, because if it's in someone else's house, like Coinbase, if it's in their house, Coinbase goes under, then what's going to happen? Or, uphold or whatever. The firm wants individuals from the United Kingdom and the United States. Should read over this one more time. Specifically, Ripple seeks a senior manager for business development to cater to institutional DeFi. Per Ripple's career page, the firm wants individuals from the United Kingdom and the United States. So the United States, that's also something that sticks out right there, because that's the only piece missing, right? We have the lawsuit. Is there a settlement in the works? Let me know what you think down in the comments. Let us know. Ideal candidate to work on crypto ETF initiatives. Per the Ripple job listing, the key responsibilities for this role involve spearheading cryptocurrency related ETFs initiatives. This would be in collaboration with the most relevant partners in internal trading teams. And boom, right here it is. Drive crypto. So key responsibilities: drive cryptocurrency related ETF initiatives with internal trading teams and relevant partners. So that's why I'm saying this one actually has some, firm footing to stand on. Those other ones are just straight speculation, but this is saying, I mean, this is pretty much saying like, hey, it's on the way to me. You know what I'm saying? But we'll see what happens. Furthermore, the selected senior manager will oversee and expand a portfolio of institutional DeFi accounts. They will also collaborate closely with Ripple product sales engineering crew to introduce new products and services. The services are to facilitate institutional investors safe and compliant participation in institutional DeFi. The Ripple job posting hints that the company is preparing to apply for Xrp Etf. Yeah, you think? Then meanwhile, in a recent interview, when questioned about the prospect of Xrp Etf, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse declined to comment. So, this could either because it's in their clause with their partner not to comment at the time, or whoever it is that or the people they're dealing with, or they're just choosing not to, out of their best interest for themselves and their partners, XRP holders. So anyways, that's going to do it for that. Let's check a look at the chart. So on the 3 minute, again, we're going to be trading this intraday using Mark Douglas philosophy, using a set number of variables, meaning one time frame, one amount of risk, one amount of reward. And we're going to be using a passive approach when we're doing this So this week, if that's something you want to be a part of, then just let us know. Let's get on to another time frame and see what's happening. Just wanted to check out the weekly candle right here. Get on, kind of do a what's up, everybody, and then wait to see how the markets are going to be opening up tomorrow. But so we have 2 hours and 46 minutes left. This candle right here on XRP, if there's any way that it could smash up just a little bit, like 53 cents in the week at 53.5 cents, that would be cool. Right now, it's looking like we could be coming down to make another bottom here, or we could be continuing on down. One of the previous videos we put, the one thing that could make XRP sink, and that's if they continued to make institutional sales of XRP after they were found guilty for selling unregistered securities to institutions. So, we're just got to wait and see how that pans out. But let's see here on the hour. This could have also, something else I wanted to bring up is that this could have just been a sweep this low right here. We hit this support at around 52 cents after this happened this morning. So far, just kind of looking for another shoulder here. This is the near term. If it doesn't and it goes down, then it is what it is. But we're going to be keeping our parameters the same. We're going to be keeping everything: chart, time frame, indicators, entries, exits, rigid, and just so people can see how this works out in the end. But anyways, you guys, that's going to do it for now. If you got any questions, just holler, and we will see y'all on the next one. See ya.